To send videos from camera roll as snaps on Snapchat. What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm gonna tell you guys how you can easily send your videos from your camera roll or your photos as snaps on Snapchat. So I don't mean like if you try to send any snap from your camera roll, it will be sent as a chat. So I don't mean that you can send it as a chat, but you can send it as actual snaps. So the first thing that you want to do is record a short clip on your Snapchat. So I've recorded a short video clip, and right here you will see a plus icon on your clip. So you're just going to tap on it. Something like this will pop up. And now you just have to tap on this plus icon that says import media. So here you just tap on it to upload the video from your camera roll. So I'm just going to do that. Alright, so as you can see, I've imported this short clip right here for that is 5 seconds. And now what you're gonna do here is, as you can see, there are two clips at the bottom. The first one that you've just recorded, you're just gonna tap on it and delete the clip. So now only the clip that you've imported is remaining. You're just gonna tap on done and tap on preview and then send to. And now you can send this to all of your friends right here. And once you do that, you can just tap on send, and I'm just gonna wait for it to send. And as you can see, it has now been sent as a snap and not as a chat. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.